We're continuing on here at 6 o'clock. It looks like good news. So I'm going to do one more from our basement. And then we're going to go back upstairs here. I'm trying to do my best even though I'm spying.
Hour or two, we've got the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. And in fact, as timing would have it, we've got some of the strongest storms of the afternoon right over central and eastern Hamden in Hampshire County. So a severe thunderstorm warning continues until 6:45 for Hamden and Hampshire County along and east of the Connecticut River. You can see these two clusters of storms. One that's now over Long Meadow and East Long Meadow, moving east at about 30 miles per hour. Just had a lightning strike in the Granby and South Hadley area, and a few lightning strikes right now over New Salem and Belchertown. So these storms have a history of creating tree damage in West Hampton and also in Blandford over the last hour to hour and a half. So they certainly mean business. You can see this is where the severe thunderstorm warning is for Hamden, Hampshire, for Hamden and Hampshire County. That's what I'm trying to say. There's one here that's in effect until 6:15 p.m. For southern central Hamden County, including Agawam and Southwick. And then for the rest of central and eastern Hamden County, you're under a severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45. So Springfield, Wilbraham, Hamden, Munson, Palmer, Ludlow, Chicopee, I'm probably forgetting a few, the Long Meadows, you're under that severe thunderstorm warning, including Granby, South Hadley, Belchertown, and Ware in eastern Hampshire County, and maybe a little sliver of Amherst in there as well. So frequent lightning, heavy downpours, and damaging winds are likely with these storms. Again, they're moving east at about 30 miles per hour. We'll put a track. You can see this lightning over Belchertown and also over Long Meadow and East Long Meadow. Here's the track, 30 miles per hour. So arrival in Palmer very soon. And then you can see that these towns listed are mainly for Worcester County, but Palmer, Brimfield, Wales, and Holland, you're involved in this warning as well, and the storms are headed toward you. And there are still a few scattered storms off to our west. You can see them here west of the Hudson River. So the severe thunderstorm watch continues until 8 o'clock tonight. So be vigilant if you've got outdoor plans. If you've got outdoor plans for the next hour or so, you should be inside. 86 now, scattered showers and thunderstorms at 7. Chance for a thunderstorm at 9 o'clock and 77 degrees, and then we're clearing out by 11 o'clock. Brighter, drier day here tomorrow. We'll show you with our 22 Storm Team forecast.
We now turn to Berkshire County.
So thank you to our director, Mikey Newington. He's a membership here at Pandy Valley Network. So the storms are moving now. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the lights back on. Up on this one here so that we can get going. We're going to have to go quick. Because remember, there are so many bugs in the area. And in fact, they're going to be evacuating all basement operations. So we were in the basement. And then we have to get out of the basement after the storm ended. Because of bugs. This is a rare situation. We're going to have to stay out. Remember, we were actually making an immediate evacuation notice today because we have actually just learned that we will not be using the basement tomorrow, so you don't want to. I will be 11 show all the other stuff. We can play that tomorrow. So. If you have any Skywalk criteria, please do so. So, yeah, we can still have a severe thunderstorm warning. And this is stuff our Chicopee metro area, so if you are in the Chicopee, all this stuff. So on this warning, of course, there's still the potential for some storm damage as well. I'll be keeping an eye on it, but again, we do have to evacuate.